Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is an important message to CMA Inter students who have written their examinations in January 2021 exams. My dear students, some of you might have qualified in the results declared today and some of you might have not cleared. Don't worry, this is not failure, this is only postponement of success. Once you start introspecting yourself, identifying your own mistakes and take some concrete steps to set right the same, then automatically you will qualify in the next attempt of your CMA Inter exams. Don't worry about that. Now, so let us say some students are sending messages that their result has got withheld. First of all, what might be the reasons for withholding your result? So, students who might have indulged in some unhealthy practices, unfair practices, like trying to copy during while the examination is going on, or using some mobile while the examination is going on. So, since everybody is aware that this time CMA Institute has conducted home-based examination, and they have taken the technology called Proctor. So whoever they have identified to have misused that facility, to have indulged in such kind of unfair practices, CMA Institute has withheld the result of all such students. Unfortunately, CMA Institute may declare the result of such students after 2 or 3 months. Sir, since my result got withheld, can I assume that I have qualified? No, there is no rule as such. Either you might have qualified or you might have got failed. So the best thing is, without waiting for declaration of that result, without waiting for that issue to get solved, first immediately apply for examinations of next attempt. CMA Institute will definitely give a chance to you to explain your own argument before taking a action. If you have not indulged in any such kind of unfair practices, then you can be sure that you can get rid of this problem and your result will be declared. So for this purpose, you need to send a request mail to CMA Institute requesting them to release your result. The mail ID is given in this video. If you need any guidance from our side, then you can send mail to the mail ID of our staff member. I have already given the mail ID in the video. Please look at the same. So don't forget to mention your mobile number in the email so that our staff can contact you in case of need. So will the next attempt be in online mode or physical mode? Most probably physical mode. Let's wait and see what will happen. Let us assume CMA Institute has decided to conduct examinations of next attempt also in online mode. In such a case, you can perform well in those examinations only if you focus on improving your typing speed. Start paying attention on that. So there are some typing tutor softwares available in the market. Download the same, purchase a laptop. Never write the exams in mobile and tab. Purchase a laptop, install that software and start practicing typing, because your performance in the examination is going to depend purely on your typing speed. Will exams of next attempt be conducted in normal time or will they be postponed? Most probably they will be conducted in the normal cycle only. They may not get postponed. If at all they get postponed, they will be postponed for a nominal period of 10-15 days only, but not for larger number of days. So if you have qualified both the groups of CMA Inter, congratulations for that. You immediately join for practical training. If you need any guidance on how to join for this practical training, then send the mail to this mail ID. Please don't forget to give your complete details along with your mobile number If needed, our team will contact you through through the mobile number given by you, and they will clear your doubts. So, if you have qualified only one group, the first thing you need to do is introspect the reasons for your failure. If you feel that, if you are confident that you have written the exam but unable to clear, then you need to apply for certified copies with the CMA Institute. So, after getting certified copies, if you need any guidance to check what are the mistakes done by you, you can send those certified copies to the mail ID given by me. So what to do if you are unable to come out of failure? Don't worry, I have already made a video on how to come out of the video, and I have already uploaded the same in our YouTube channel. For your convenience, I am leaving the link of that video in card section. Look at the top right corner, you will get some notification. If you click that, you will be able to watch that video. So the best option is, if you have qualified only one group, then come and join for study hours and revision exam service being offered by masterminds for the remaining group. So in this service, we will make you to sit for the whole day to study well, and we will conduct examinations twice a week. So this service is available for CMA Inter students of both groups, Group 1 or Group 2. Of course, there will be only one both group schedule. For the students of both groups, we will be conducting 2 examinations a week. But for the students of single group, we will be conducting only 1 exam a week. That means students of both groups, whatever the schedule we design for students of both groups, the same schedule shall be followed by the students of Group 1 and Group 2 also. And this service is available at all our branches. As far as Hyderabad branch is concerned, you please make a call to our branch principals and then take a decision. If you can't attend study hours physically, then we have one more option called Masterminds Test Series. As a part of this service, we will not conduct any study hours. That means you did not come to our campus physically. You can stay at your home, but you can write the examinations. So 30 minutes before the scheduled time of exam, we will be sending the question paper. You will write the exam. You need to scan the papers and you need to send them to our mobile number. We will value them and we will send you a valuation report which consists of all the mistakes committed by you. So that service is also available. So in what way this service will be useful? Continue home preparation. My dear students, if at all you have failed in this attempt, the most probable reason is home preparation. Please don't continue home preparation. Come and join for our study hours and revision exams. Sir, don't I need to worry about COVID? No, you need not worry about COVID, because for the students of your age group, COVID will not get attacked. Even if it gets attacked, you will not have any symptoms. That means getting COVID attacked is different, getting some disease is different. You will not suffer with any disease. You will just be attacked with COVID-19. Mild symptoms will be there. 1 or 2 days of fever, 1 or 2 days of cold. That's it. So you need not even get hospitalized. You will be recovering very quickly. So don't worry about corona. So is the hospital facility available? Yes, available in some of our selective branches. Sir, if for any reason you are forced to shut down the campuses due to government regulations, what about our fee? Don't worry, we have made all the necessary arrangements. At the time of admission, if you consult our counseling department, they will guide you in this regard and they will tell you how your fees will be treated if there is any such shutdown. You need not worry about money, we have taken enough care of the same. So recently, the Education Minister, so Honorable Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Adimulaka Suresh Garu, has given a clear-cut clarification that they don't have any intention to shut down the colleges in Andhra Pradesh, because when such educational institutions are being shut down, the most affected people are poor people, because they will not have this kind of digital resources. Sir, when will campuses be reopened in Telangana? Very soon. I am confident that government will permit everybody to open the campuses in Telangana also very soon. So keep in touch with the academic principals or admin principals of our Hyderabad branch. So, sir, if you are not qualified any of the groups, then what is the option? In such a case, you can join for study hours and revision examination schedule of both the groups. If you are not interested to attend physically, then you can attend through MMTS service, that is Masterminds Test Series, where you can appear for revision exams right from your home. So alternatively, you can take admission in 16th exclusive regular batch of CMA Inter, which was already started in Guntur. Whatever the syllabus got completed till now will be taught to you at the end. Of course, there is only physical mode of admission, no online classes. Because we believe is physical mode of classes will be more effective than online. If you are not interested to come to Guntur, then alternatively, you can join in CA Inter regular batches in any of our branches of 45th session, and you can listen to the classes along with CA Inter students. That means CA Inter and CMA Inter students will be matched together and coaching will be given. So in such a case, whatever the syllabus got completed till now, you have to prepare on your own. So whatever the syllabus which is there additionally in CMA Inter, that will be taught to you at the end. So this option is available in all our branches, only physical mode, no online mode. If you don't want to attend physical, then there is one online mode in which you will be merged with CA Inter regular batch, where there is one complete online batch where for the entire day classes will be conducted in online mode. This batch is available in Guntur, you can take the admission. So in any of our branches, you can go and take the admission. So in this case, you need to listen to the classes along with CA Inter students. So syllabus completed till now has to be prepared by you on your own. Of course, we have the recordings of classes conducted till March 14, and we will provide those recordings. You can watch the same. And whatever the syllabus which is additionally there in CMA Inter, for that we will arrange classes at the end. So please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get the notification. Please do install our Android app Masterminds online classes so that you can get some valuable videos. You can directly pay the amount and start watching those videos. If you have any doubts on what to do about your career, then please do send an SMS to the mail ID, my mail ID. So I will love to guide you. Immediately after writing exams in June 2021, then immediately take admission for our study hours and revision exams of CMA Inter for December 2021, assuming that you will fail in the exams. Don't be overconfident. Remember, this is one important golden principle to be followed in CA and CMA courses. If you have already qualified one group, then join for remaining group. Don't wait for results. If you want to take admission in Guntur or any of our branches, then the details are given in the description of this video. You need to make call to that number. Here are the contact numbers of all our branches. So if you are interested to take admission in any of these branches, you can contact them. Hostel facility is also available in some of the selected branches. So here is the important guidance that I wanted to share with you, my dear students. Hope you liked this video.